When people talk about crypto, they see an investment platform. Crypto is not an investment platform. Crypto is like your everyday market where you go to buy what you want. Let's say clothes, for instance. You go to buy clothes, you go to buy shoes, you go to buy food stuff and stuff. Just like in it, like your everyday market where you go to buy stuff for yourself. If you go to a particular market today and you come back home and you feel cheated, it's more like a loss. If you go to a particular market tomorrow and you feel like you did your best at buying with the limited capital that you have, that's more like you profiting. So some days you profit, some days you lose. But with crypto, you can actually minimize the ratio so you can profit more than you lose. It has even gotten to a stage where you can make more than normal and not lose at all for a particular month, except there is a pending or impending crash on the way, just like in front of us, where you now see that the whole market just crashed. And that is one of the major reasons why you should never engage all of your capital in trading. The minute such occurs where there is a big crash and it's propaganda has it that so coin has dropped in value to a particular point where you're seeing your capital just like it's zapped off your dashboard. Let's say you had 50,000 naira before, and because of the crash you're seeing 45,000 naira, or you're seeing 40,000 naira. At that point in time, to balance out, because you need to start trading immediately. You need to put your former trade on hold and hang it somewhere, like pause it at a figure where you know you get your money back, and start trading immediately from that bottom by buying coins, and start trading immediately to get back to where your capital was before. It's a balancing strategy. Don't trade with all you have. Make money. The idea is not to actually pick all the money you can. You can't actually pick. Sometimes you see yourself selling at 16,000 per coin, and the minute you sell off at 16,000, you see it rise up to 18,000. Your target is to take your profits for that trade and leave the market. Don't plan to take all of the profit. If you do that, you might discover that by the time it might not even get to the price that you have fixed to sell that coin, and you see it dropping. So you've lost out. Your idea, your strategy should be to pick something out. At every trade, you must pick something. Once you can remove greed from your trading, remove panic from your trading, remove uh, fright, fear from your trading, don't be scared. Just go for what you want. If you see that the margin is 1,000 naira, you don't need to fix it at 1,000 to pick all the money. You can set it at 800 if you are selling. If you want to buy, you don't need to put it at 1. You can put it at 200. Just be in the middle. It will definitely touch you. Most times it doesn't go back to the maximum when it's about selling, or the minimum when it's about buying. So just be in between. You must pick something from the market for that particular trade. Crypto is fun. Crypto is not an investment program. Crypto is like your everyday buying and selling. Crypto is a business, but you need to understand how it works. You need to understand how it works. There are times to trade and there are times not to trade. There are ways to actually know when to trade and when not to trade. Periods like Easter is approaching. So right now, as in by tomorrow, no trade should actually happen till after the Easter. The only trade you should be expecting to happen is to wait for the coin to drop and buy during that Easter period. If you buy coins following the Easter period, you might discover that the coins will so drop that you will make a loss. Just because there are festivals approaching, people will definitely pull funds from the market, and that will lead to a drop in the price of coins. So once you see a festival approaching, a general holiday or something, just know the price will drop shortly. That is the best time to wait to buy. That is not the time to buy and wait to sell. So if you have questions regarding this voice note, please drop them. I'll deal with them shortly. Thank you.